this episode, we will go over assigning licenses for all three core Augmentt products. First, let's check out the License Center to see how many licenses we have available. We can see that there are 100 seats of Discover, 100 seats of Engage, and 1,000 seats of Secure. Now, let's navigate to the Employees tab. There are 5 users for this company. There are multiple ways we can assign licenses. First, we will assign Discover licenses in bulk. Check the box next to Employee to select all users, and then click on Discover Licensing, and then Assign Licenses. Discover licenses have now been assigned to all users. You can also assign licenses to a specific user. With Engage, we will only assign licenses to 3 users by selecting the specific accounts and then clicking on Engage Licensing and then Assign Licenses. Secure licensing is assigned to the entire tenant, so if you only select one user, secure licenses will be assigned to all available users in the tenant. Now, if we navigate back to License Center, we can see that the available license count has been changed because of the licenses we assigned. That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.